Hello everyone and welcome to this module on the mechanical motor vehicle. In today's video, we will learn to overhaul the tandem master cylinder assembly and adjust the play of the brake pedal. By the end of this video, you will be able to overhaul the tandem master cylinder assembly and adjust the play of the brake pedal. Let us get started by identifying the tools, equipment and materials required. Trainee's toolkit 1, mallet 1, circlip plier inside 1, bench vise with soft jaw 1, vehicle with tandem master cylinder 1, master cylinder kit 1, kerosene as required, cotton waste as required, dismantling the tandem master cylinder, clean the cylinder assembly, remove the reservoir cover with the diaphragm, remove check valves and springs and drain the brake fluid, remove the push rod and dust boot. Depress the primary piston slightly for removing the circlip. Remove the retaining spring and secondary piston with the primary cup. Remove the stop rod for removing the secondary piston. Inspection of the tandem master cylinder. Clean all internal parts with alcohol. Ensure that vent holes and ports are to be cleared. Check the cylinder bore for scoring, pitting, etc. Check and inspect both pistons visually for any scoring. Check the return spring and replace if necessary. Replace all rubber parts with new parts. Assembling of tandem master cylinder. Hold the cylinder in a vise with a soft jaw. Apply and clean the cylinder bore with brake fluid. Dip all the components in the brake fluid. Fix the return spring and the cup in a secondary cylinder. Fix the secondary piston and the cup using a spring. Press the secondary piston and fix the stop bolt. Fix the primary piston with the cup and spring. Fix the retaining spring and washer. Press down the primary piston for fixing the circlip. Assemble check valves with the spring. Fill up the reservoir and fix the cover. Press and inspect the free movement of the piston and fluid passage. Fix the dust boot and push rod. The brake pedal assembly adjustment. Check the brake pedal play and ensure that its range is between 6 mm to 12 mm. If it is not, then loosen the lock nut. Adjust the clevis. Tighten it if the play is more and loosen it if it is less. Again, check the pedal for free play. Tighten the lock nut when required so that free play is achieved. In this video, we have learned to overhaul the tandem master cylinder assembly, adjust the play of the brake pedal. Hope you have a clear understanding of this session. Thank you all and see you in the next video.